What's up, guys? Brennan Give Me 24 here. We're gonna make this a little video short. We're just gonna do some couple clips of flybys and the good old Bessie over here. It's gonna be nice, ultra nice video right here recording. Probably for his channel, little clip. I'm making this little clip. Want me to record it? Do a little test run, doing sideways first.
Hold up a sec.
Alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright, guys. We're gonna do a little flyby down here and just gonna gun it around here. Let's get the first one. Alright, here we go. Those are some clips of the Vic. We got Dad in the driver's seat right here. Can't even see him. Thanks for watching this video, guys. More to come with the Vic. Peace out, guys.